Business is excellent. We finished number one in our region out
Nice.
of 50 stores. Yeah, we're proud of that, but
That's
we're going to
awesome.
do better this month.
You've been on our new platform, the Sensei 5.0, for roughly 6 months now. What improvements have you seen as a result of using the platform?
A tremendous improvement. When we purchased the store in August of last year, we basically had to start everything from scratch. Actually, it started a little bit worse than from scratch because we came in with a new DMS system, a new CRM system, a new accounting system. So we had to do something quick to get a hold of our reviews and our ratings because they were starting to go down fast. So since we had your company, my guys, they call you guys the bad review swatter. And I said, what's that? And they said, it's like a fly swatter, like they're just knocking down the bad reviews. So we've been very thorough and we're on track now, thanks to you guys.
What you're describing, the bad review swatter, is Sensei Guard, and that is designed to help you guys circumvent those negative reviews and collect the customer feedback, less than perfect feedback, and keep it away from Google. So in terms of service customers, do you think that your retention rate with your service customers is better today than it was 6 months ago?
Oh, 1000%. We get instant feedback and I get true and honest feedback from my service customers. So I'm getting as close as you can get real time feedback. And I'll give you a quick example. I look at my phone and I had an upset customer in service. So I go downstairs and by the time I get downstairs, I realize that the customer is still here. It happened so fast. It gave us a chance to grab the customer, get involved, fix the problem, turn the upset customer into a happy customer, and he left happy. And I was able to catch him before he left the store. That was amazing. The favorite part, I've never seen anything like it. In 30 years in the business, I've never seen a product that was more effective that delivered. We get hundreds of 5-star Google reviews now. And we've probably knocked or prevented 90% of any negative reviews from hitting Google because we're finding out so fast and we're able to jump in and handle the problem before they decide to go to Google or Yelp or somewhere else. It's also easy to work with you guys. The support is tremendous. You know the space, you understand what we do every day, and you have a product that delivers 100% of what it says it does.
Thank you. I appreciate that.